Effective communications are critical. Redstone Arsenal is really a city within a city. Although it is a United States Army installation, we have many partners that work on the installation. We saw that play out really well in a recent full-scale exercise where the Army comes and evaluates our ability to respond to a large-scale incident.
Our fire department command center was on the ground displaying information that was happening faster than the evaluators could even run through their scenario. He had already gotten wind direction, wind speed, and he put a plume on the Intrepid map that all of the command and all the other organizations that are in the EOC can see in real time.
I had several of them coming up to me sitting in the emergency operations system and ask, what is that program and how do we get it? I can't give a bigger compliment to the functionality of the device.
FirstNet gives us the ability to interoperate with all of our response partners on the installation. So when we're responding to an emergency, we use the push-to-talk features that FirstNet gives us to be able to communicate amongst key leaders, and that frees up our land mobile radio to handle the tactical stuff that's happening there on the incident scene.
During that exercise, they actually had a scenario where we lost all network communication. Different agencies, law enforcement, first responders, support people of all the different agencies on the installation, and no one can communicate because some of those individuals do not have FirstNet capabilities. So the first thing we did was everyone logged into the router.
That's affirmative, sir.
And we were back up and running in less than a minute.
And so we were able to use FirstNet Rapid Response to communicate effectively within that command structure. Whatever tool you need, be it push-to-talk or a common operating picture tool, to be able to send a video over email, if that's the tool you're using, the key there is that the network is going to be able to handle that traffic.
FirstNet is the start point. If you don't have the connection, nothing else is going to work. I would like to see this go first responder across the board, not just Department of Defense, but period, because we have to be able to work together.